Welcome to week 9. With this week, this is an exciting chapter. We're going to start the pregnancy and childbirth complications and abortions. Chapter 24 is going to be the pregnancy. And back when I was coding, this was one of my favorite chapters to do. So you can go ahead and, decide on yourself. So with this, there's always kind of why did the mother go into labor? Was it again because of a past C-section? So again, you get to do a lot of digging details of the chart. So with this, we will be covering 8.16 in our objectives. Assignment number 11 is going to be over chapter 24. And this assignment's going to take a while, so I advise you to, start reading, listen to my lectures, put some time into it. Some students have struggled with it, some love it. So now with chapter 25, this gets into the abortion chapter. A couple of things I just want to put out there before we start the week is remember that with abortion, this is miscarriage. There's so many different types. So again, we have procedures that go with all of these two chapters. So our PCS is going to be utilized. So if you have any questions for this week with the discussion or the assignments, let me know.